What's up, YouTube? Tis RC, tis the season. Man, I'm trying to give y'all a unboxing of the LOSI 22S, the 69 Camaro 110 scale, no prep dragster. So let me bring this camera over close. Matter of fact, $3.99. Friendly Hobbies, Las Vegas, Nevada. Rancho and Cheyenne, 3316. Hit him up, man. Hit him up. Shout out. Call him the purple guy. So we're going to flip this thing over. See, got the seals on him. Seals on him. Let's see here. I ain't going to read them specs out, man. Y'all can screen freeze it or pause it and check it all out. It's right there for you. All the specs. Official license. 69 Chevrolet Camaro body. Spectrum SLT3 transmitter and dual protocol receiver. Got the LED lights, precise adjustable rear wheelie bar, Mickey Thompson branded large rear drag racing slicks and low drag front tires. Spectrum Firma 100 amp smart ESC and 6500 kV brushless motor. Officially licensed summer racing trim scheme available on the T1 version. Well, take a look at the sides. I'll let y'all see all of that. Screenshot it and do whatever it is you need to do. Like that. Clear it up for you. Just telling you about the charger and the battery and the dashboard you can have going down with the smart technology. So, without further ado, let's get this thing. Boom. Boom. Alright, so we're gonna sit him there. And I'm going to try and get this. Prop, man, where y'all can see it. Hope that's good, YouTube. Right. Let's see. How good is that? Blinds cracked open a little bit more for y'all. How about we just open this thing up? How about that? That good, YouTube? Alright. So, put this up, man. That thing fall, boy. Point straight down and poke your foot. Couple stitches. Let's see what we got going on here. Nice. Real nice. I must say. Got that new car smell, should I say. And look at this, man. That's a first. I ain't never seen that with no ready to runs, but that's what's up. So we got the booklet with look like decals and your usual tools down there. flyer and little magazine. And let's see. Is it? Yep, it is. It is YouTube. So let's just back down. We're gonna see. Dude, I'm doing this because I want to see so bad if them Summit is stickers, and it is. Cool. So I think this is the controller. Let's sit that down right there. YouTube. Y'all know how it is. Bada boom, bada bang. Huh? YouTubers. There it is. Y'all see it. Sweet! Oh yeah. Let's give y'all a close up of that. Fresh out the box, baby. Fresh out the box. This how it comes. And you can get the crack the seal. This is how they packaging it. Fresh from LOSI. This is how they doing it, y'all. I must say, boy, them tires feel some kind of good. No joke. So, I'm gonna let y'all take a nice little look at it real quick while I get something to crack it open with. There y'all go. Sorry about that, YouTube. Wasn't prepared. First time for everything. Get the old trusty snippers. And I snip away. See what we got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I was waiting to get to that. Chassis. You know what y'all got going on up in that guy? Thought them things way that guy. Oh man, this thing ain't no, it ain't no heavier than the DR10. Everybody was talking like it's all aluminum chassis is heavy. This thing ain't heavy, man. This thing ain't no heavier than that DR10, man. Real talk, my DR10 is custom right now, so you already know. You know, it's a little bit heavier, actually. You did. Man, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. So, I just moved into my new home, new house, and my tripod I do my videos with came up missing and came on, and all kind of craziness, man. We don't know this and this. You did. We're gonna get that up out the way. Y'all can check that thing out while I get y'all a little line up. There y'all go. Check them out. Now, there go my babies. Huh? Zeus and Omega. There they go. Boy, look at them things they're getting it. Hey, and this thing here is so modified, boy. I'm talking about. Shorty get low. Yes, sir. Yup. The Martin brother bead locks on there. Front bead locks, rear bead locks. That's right. Sway bar. System up in there. Yes, sir. Bleedable shocks. Adjustable, fully adjustable. Yes, sir. Bump stops. Yes, sir. Man, this thing's so stable. I'll give y'all a peek of that. Oh, I can't even get it on there for y'all. Well, boy, y'all know what's up in there. Huh? Yes, sir. So we're gonna run these things, man. We're gonna see what both of them do. There they go.